Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Cloud CTF tutorial series. Today we're going to cover what it looks like for a student when they're going to solve a challenge in the Cloud CTF. So let's go ahead and click the Start button. And as a student, I have all of these different challenges to choose from. We're going to go ahead and solve the one that I created earlier as a test. So we're going to head over to the Uncategorized section and click on our challenge Overgrowth. So as a student, I look at the question and I see, okay, what is the name of the Ent who carries Pippin and Merry through the Fangorn Forest? I may not know that answer right away, so I take a look at the artifact that attached to the question. It's a photograph. So I see the picture of the Ent that it mentions in the question, and I'm still not 100% sure. So I go ahead back to the CTF, and maybe I want to use the hint. There's a hint that costs 5 points. So I go ahead and I click on the hint, and I confirm I want to unlock it for 5 points. And the hint is his name fits his appearance quite well. Well, we did have an image, and that hopefully would have helped us. And then when we're ready to solve, we would input the name that we think the answer is. So we would say Treebeard is the answer to the challenge, and we go ahead and we submit that. And there we go, we got it right. So our team earned 10 points. So we basically spent 5 points in order to help us answer a question that was worth 10 points. So in the end, the team did get more points and can score better within the CTF competition. So hopefully that was a helpful little insight of what it looks like for a student to solve challenges. If you wanted to learn a little bit more about Cloud CTF, we have several other videos in this tutorial series, so feel free to check those out.